Good afternoon. I'm Sophia Greiper, and this is Planet Watch News. Today, we begin with two critical stories about our changing planet. First, the recent Valencia flood, which began on October 29th, 2024. We'll take you inside the destruction of this disaster and how it has impacted the Valencian community. Then, we turn to Spain's efforts to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. Stay with us as we take you through the climate issues currently occurring in Spain and how Spain plans to combat them. On October 29th, 2024, many eastern regions of Spain suffered from torrential rainstorms. The excessive rain, heavily impacted by climate change, caused fatal floods throughout the areas, including in Valencia, where the death toll currently stands at over 200 people. The floods also caused mass destruction to streets and property, as cars were thrown into pileups, trees were forced from the ground, and debris littered the streets. Now, Valencia's regional government is facing backlash for responding too late to the flood and not providing the people of Valencia with adequate warning time or resources to handle the flood and its consequences. On November 9th, 2024, 130,000 protesters took to the streets to express their disapproval for the way that authorities handled the flood disaster. Weeks after the flood first struck, the cleanup continues as Valencia and its people try to return to some sort of normalcy after the disaster. Next, we turn to a growing Spanish initiative aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions and combating climate change.
Thanks, Sophia. The tragedy of the Valencia floods brings to light the urgency that we must address climate change with. In the last 20 years, Spain has set ambitious goals to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and increase the use of renewable energy. Spain aims to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050, which aligns with the European Union's climate targets. One of the key strategies includes the promotion of renewable energy. Spain is a leader in wind and solar power and has significant investments in these sectors. Since the Industrial Revolution, the Earth's temperature has increased by 1.3 degrees Celsius, which is pretty significant, and does not show any signs of slowing. With warmer temperatures comes more precipitation, so we are certainly looking at the possibility of floods like those in Valencia becoming more and more common. Additionally, climate change can exacerbate other forms of natural disasters and threaten public health. Spain's commitment to combating global warming shows hope for the future, with the European Union being leaders in climate policy. This is Olivia Reifschneider, and thank you for tuning in to Planet Watch News.